12. What type of scan tool is shown in the above photograph? A. Generic scan tool. Factory scan tool. Bluetooth interfaced. Laptop computer adapter 13. Technician A says that non-emission-related codes that make the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, illuminate are called Type A codes. Technician B says that emission-related codes that illuminate the MIL after the first fault are called Type A codes. Who is correct? A. Both technicians A and B. Neither technician A nor BC. Technician BD. Technician A14. The first character of a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, indicates the vehicle system. Which one of the letters below refers to the chassis and transfer cases? A. BB. UC. PD. C15. Technician A says that it's a good idea to perform a test drive before attempting repairs. Technician B says that it's a good idea to let the customer accompany you on the test drive. Who is correct? A. Technician BB. Neither technician A nor BC. Technician AD. Both technicians A and B16. Technician A says that a new replacement part is always good. Technician B says that sometimes recent repair work will be the cause of a complaint. Who is correct? A. Both technicians A and BB. Neither technician A nor BC. Technician BD. Technician A17. You're diagnosing a hard-starting vehicle and installing a fuel pressure gauge. When the engine is shut off, the fuel pressure drops rapidly. Technician A says that a fuel injector could be leaking. Technician B says that the fuel pump may have a defective check valve. Who is correct? A. Both technicians A and BB. Technician BC. Neither technician A nor BD. Technician A18. All of these concerns can be diagnosed using the paper test except for AA. Cracked exhaust manifold. B. Bad spark plug wire in the ignition system. C. Faulty injector on a multiport engine. D. Burned valve. 19. An OBD-II system interprets a disconnected spark plug as a misfire that could damage the three-way catalyst. The ECM or PCM will most likely trigger the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the underscore trip. A. Second. First. Fourth. Third. 20. Technician A says that OBD-II systems include generic as well as vehicle manufacturer-specific diagnostic trouble codes, DTCS, and scan data displays. Technician B says that OBD-II systems have common DTCS. Who is correct? A. Technician AB. Technician BC. Both Technicians A and BD. Neither Technician A nor B.
Received. Sent. Tie.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.